Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition in health. I am also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty, so Allah give you more healthy, wealthy life, successful life and happy life. And please viewers also pray for me. I hope you're waiting my latest video. So guys, it is over today. Bring some special beautiful crochet coffee cozy ideas, free pattern. So please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish, handmade knitting variety. Beautiful ideas, beautiful pattern, most demanding crochet collection. Coffee cozy ideas, crochet coffee cozy for coffee lovers, tea lovers. Beautiful tea cozy ideas, coffee cozy ideas. Follow my channel, press the bell icon. When you press the bell icon, you will get the notification all of my videos and latest ideas about crocheting work. Very nice. Very nice. Hopefully like this. These are beautiful ideas for coffee lovers, tea lovers. So please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful. Some are light color, dark color, color contrast, button up style. Beautiful and new ideas, new colors. Beautiful pattern. Very nice. So cute ideas. Simple and cute. Okay viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye and peace be.